In this video, I'll show you how to take your studio headshots with just 3 lights. So for the first light, we're going to be using the Godox AD600BM as the main light. And for the edge light, we're going to be using the Godox AD600BM with a speed light. So that is for the lighting setup that we're going to be using for this kind of photo shoot. So I want to show you what each light is doing. So this is the main light and it is pointing to this curved reflector. And the purpose of this is because we just want the light coming straight from here to hit the reflector and to eliminate the shadows beneath or below her chin. And this is going to also add that beautiful catch light in the eyes. Then for the edge light right here, we have the Godox AD600BM in this reverse umbrella, and the purpose is to create separation from the background. And you can see the edge light, as you can see in the video. This is the edge light to create some separation from the background. And we also have another edge light. This is the speed light right here at the back. So the purpose of this speed light right here, it is also to create some separation. So this is what we're going to be using for this kind of shoot. And for the settings right now, for the settings, the camera, I'm using the Canon 6D camera with the Tamron 70-200mm f2.8 lens. And for the picture style, I'm shooting in landscape. And for the white balance, I'm shooting at 6200 kelvins because I prefer a warm white balance. I'm shooting in RAW and large. So that is basically for the camera settings. Then for the power of the light, the output of the light, for this main light, it is set to 1 out of 8 power. Then for the edge light, that one right there in the reverse umbrella, it is set to 1 out of 16. And for the speed light, it is set to 1 out of 64. So that is basically for the camera and the lighting settings. And right now we're going to take some beautiful headshots. So you're using a 3 light kind of setup for this kind of behind the scenes. And I want to show you how beautiful these are going to be. And all the images I'm going to be displaying for you in this behind the scenes are going to be straight out of camera, no editing. So let's start with a test photo. So I'll just take a test photo. So as you can see on the screen, this is very nice and beautiful. So in case you want to brighten up or darken the photo, you can just play around with the ISO. So for studio images, always make sure you're between 100 ISO. So the camera settings, by the way, I'm shooting at ISO 125. Shutter speed is 1 out of 200th of a second, and the aperture is 7.1 because I want every part of the body to be in focus at this point. So that is basically it. So in case the image is bright, what you have to do, play around with the ISO or the aperture to darken or brighten it up. So for this case, I feel like the image is fine. So let's start taking some beautiful photos. So let's have you look straight. So usually I'll tell the subject first, look straight into the camera as if you're taking a passport photo. Then after I've done this, so just try to do like this. Okay. So this is usually my first pose. Yeah, it's beautiful, and always compliment your subjects or your models. So I'll have you put one hand on the hip, then one here. No, just place it lower. Yeah, I feel like that is perfect. Can you try looking towards the side? Same pose. Yeah, then eyes here. Yeah. This is beautiful. Just slightly raise your chin. Same pose. Okay, this is perfect. So after this, let's have both hands on your hips, both, just lower. I prefer you place it like this, okay? Perfect. So you leave one hand on the hip, then one, no, just relax the fingers towards the side, yeah. Okay, let me get it. Can you just stretch it towards the side? Yeah. So the other tip that you can always use, always remember to direct your models and compliment them in case you feel like a given pose looks good. So complimenting the model is always going to have them be part of the shoot and engaged in the shoot. Okay, just hold your hands. Yeah, perfect. So can you look away? Just lower the hands slightly. Yeah, then look with a smile now. Yeah, perfect. So you're going to face towards this side. Yeah, then put one hand higher, just higher. Then the other hand to touch this part of the neck. Yeah, perfect. Okay, a smile. Yeah, this is beautiful. Let me get a closer one. Just get closer one. Yeah, this is beautiful. Okay, so what I would love to do is just put your hair on this other side. Yeah, then use both hands to, yeah, perfect. Continue. I prefer smile. Nice. Then for the other pose, I would prefer you, okay? You know, sometimes, okay, play with the hair again. Yeah. Then just place this one on the hip. Perfect. Nice. Yeah. I just love the smile. So let's have more of the side view. Yeah. Put the hair the other side. Okay. Yeah. I just want on your face. Can you slightly raise this other shoulder? Perfect. Nice. I need this. Yeah. So for the other pose, I would like you to be as if you're fixing the earring. Yeah. It would be better with a smile. Perfect. Yeah, I like that. Just turn your head. Yeah, like that. Yeah, this is perfect. So this is what or how you can use 3 lights for your studio portraits. And in case you have found value out of this very video, don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe. If you have been watching and you aren't subscribed to this channel, Ronix from Ronix Photography, thank you for watching and I'll see you in yet more videos on this channel. Don't forget to keep practicing and as well keep creating.